Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my channel. We are still in Bergamo and today is my last day of quarantine. So from next week we will go back to our walk after the recipe. But today there is a special thing because yesterday it has been my birthday. If you didn't watch my pavlova, it's up here. I will put the link down. It's a super birthday cake, but I received many flowers and also an octopus, and we will see how to make it keto, because octopus is a high protein food, 10% about, but very low fat, 1% of fat and 1.4 of carbohydrates. So we have to make little changes to make it super delicious as usual, easy to prepare and keto of course. So let's go to the kitchen. This is a very easy but very long preparation, so before showing you the few ingredients, I will put a big pot full of water for boiling because it will help me saving some time. And here are everything you will need: some salt for the water, a beautiful octopus, fresh parsley, garlic, and our super keto ingredient, extra virgin olive oil. As you know, the oil is 100% fat, so that's why it's great in our low carb, high fat diet. 0 carbs, 100% fat. Let's start by adding some salt to our water. You will see some shaking images because here in Bergamo I don't have a big tripod like in Stockholm. Sorry about that. Now that our water is boiling, it's time to put into it our octopus. And this is the exact moment when I realized that this monster is not clean. But you know that we never give up, so we'll clean it together. If you have already done this job before, you know that it is not that difficult, and after washing the octopus to take out some of its slippery surface, you just have to follow these 3 easy steps. Number 1, make an incision under the eyes because we have to eliminate them. I said under because it will be easier to take them out, but I did it too close, so I'm struggling a little bit. Number 2, you should eliminate also the hard part that is under the octopus, exactly in the middle of it. In Italy we call it beak, but this is not a bird, and we know that the hard part is the end of its mouth, that the octopus uses to open the shells or the shellfish that it wants to eat. Number 3, turn the head inside out and cut all the black parts of your octopus as well as possible. Those parts are not dangerous and they can be eaten, but I don't like to find black parts when I eat it. My octopus is fresh, so I need to beat it to break the fibers and have a soft final dish. You don't need to do it if your one has been frozen before. Our salty water is boiling, so it's finally time to put our octopus into it, and I will show you a special trick that will make this monster really beautiful. But this is what happens when you don't have a proper tripod. My phone slowly fell down, but as usual, we don't surrender. So let's go on with today's ketogenic recipe. If you put your octopus in and out of the boiling water, you will get curly tentacles. I did it 7 times, and as you can see, they were perfect and they will look much nicer when you will present your dish. The octopus should cook for 25 minutes for every kilo. Mine is 1.5 kilos, so it must be cooked cover 75 minutes, 1 hour and a quarter. We have now all the time to prepare our seasoning, not only because we must wait the 75 minutes of the cooking, but also because we should leave our octopus into the cover pot with the heating off for the same amount of time. So 1 hour and 15 minutes cooking and another hour and 15 minutes resting into the warm water. We have now 2 hours and a half, and you will see it from the sunset that will make my kitchen magical. But let's go back to our sauce, that it is really important because it's the ketogenic part of this dish. As you have seen, I cut a good amount of fresh parsley and I will mix it with 3 chopped garlic cloves. If you see a darker part in the middle of the cloves, eliminate it because it makes the garlic difficult to digest. Parsley and garlic are a classic combo in Italian cuisine for the same reason. In fact, this delicious aromatic herb will help you digest the garlic. As I told you at the beginning, octopus has only 1% fat, so to make it keto, we must add a good amount of extra virgin olive oil that has 100% fat. Be generous with this amazing ingredient and you will get a truly delicious sauce. Look how beautiful it is. You can use this sauce also with any fish dish you prepare or mix it with boiled shells. I like it also on top of lobster as a good alternative to the usual melted butter. Our octopus is finally ready, but before taking it out of the water, I highly suggest to add some ice cubes so you will quickly lower temperature, and this easy tip will help to make the meat more tender, as you will see when I will cut it. And here it is, our yummy monster with its beautiful curly tentacles. Please let me know if you have any improvement to this dish or if you have any other ketogenic recipes with octopus, because I really love it. And here it is, our yummy monster with its beautiful curly tentacles. Please let me know if you have any improvement to this dish or if you have any other ketogenic recipes with octopus, because I really love it. The octopus is cut and now it's time to add our simple low-carb, high-fat sauce made just with garlic, fresh parsley and olive oil. The dish is ready, and as I told you, we cannot go out for a walk, but I would like to share with you this amazing sunset and the beauty of Bergamo. I really hope you like today's easy recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. Thank you all. You made me so happy. The day of my birthday, we became 10,000. So thanks for that great present. See you next week.